Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Today in today's video I'm going to be showing you how crash 500 index and boom 1000 index would most likely go for the next couple of days, weeks, or even months in the new year 2022. I was supposed to upload this content about a day or 2 days ago before this crash started, because I actually spotted it. It's what is playing out right now, but it's not still late, because you are going to be expecting more of sales on crash 500 for the next couple of days. It actually started somewhere here, and I'm going to show you. Let me just play something so that when we get to the daily time frame where we're going to do the analysis, you will understand it. Okay, let me just put this so that you know that the prediction is superb. Okay, it's a super dope. Okay, now you don't have to joke with any prediction, any analysis that I'll be releasing on this channel this particular year. Like I said in my last two videos, the first two videos I uploaded for the year, we've actually started the year in earnest. Okay, so let's quickly switch over to we can't see what I placed. We can't just see it. We can't see it because it was placed on a very low time frame. Okay, all right, what we're gonna do is that let me just place the horizontal line so that we'll see. Okay, it's not supposed to be horizontal. Let's place our vertical line. Okay, so that when we get there, you see the crash started somewhere around here. All right, let's get back to D1. Okay, have you seen it? Have you seen it? I actually spotted this movement because I needed to upload some of that content. This market is most likely going to push down for days. Okay, I'm still going to show you some of the things that you need to know that's actually confirmed this. There's actually a bearish regular divergence that signifies price reversal, and that's when it started to crash. Okay, so all you need to do is to subscribe to this channel if you are new, and also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new content, you get notified. This year we are going to be moving higher. It's actually a year of our capacity building, and you yourself must increase in every wise, including in your trading knowledge and in your profitability. So let's just dive straight into the analysis. Now, crash 500, it's developing, or it has formed what we call falling wedge. Okay, as I'm going to show you. And why is it falling wedge? Let's pick our trend lines. Okay, we're gonna draw our trend line from here. Yes, we're drawing our trend line from here right away. Yeah, we just picked 2 points of obvious touches, and then we are gonna pick a twin trend line to the downside, which is this. Okay, we are taking it from here. Oh yeah, we are taking it from here. Okay, I think that's great. Oh yeah, taking it from here. Okay, yes. I beg your pardon, please. Yeah. Okay, why is this a falling wedge? It's a falling wedge because it's narrowing from the top down. It's narrowing from the top down. In fact, this is a perfect falling wedge. And of course, look at the volume of the correction is narrowing. The volume of the what is it called, the impulsive move and the reactive moves, okay, and narrowing from the top down. Okay, that is a typical example of a falling wedge, and it has reached the it's already bouncing off from the upper trend line. Okay, that's why I said I was supposed to upload this content a day ago, or when the crash actually started. But nevertheless, if what we are seeing here is playing out fine, of course in the long run there must be a break of either of this trend line, either to the up or to the down. Okay, maybe somewhere here, but then in the meantime is still in between the two trend lines, okay, of the falling wedge, and right now it has given us a sign that it's coming down. Okay, it's coming down. So throughout the week and probably in month, okay, we're gonna be expecting more sells, that is more crash on crash 500. It's possible that price might come maybe somewhere here. This is actually a support, and then go this way. It might get to let me quickly place something like this. These are serious areas. Let me quickly place my horizontal lines to pick some areas of support that the market might react somewhere here, and then another one somewhere here. Okay, so these are key support levels, okay, that the market might find rest. Okay, they have the three before this particular point. So it's possible the market might react and come this way, and then if it gets to this trend line, we'll be looking at the candlestick pattern development, if it's gonna bounce back again or it's going to break upwards. But if it bounces off that trend line again, it will certainly come to the next support. But that is if only this crash does not continue one way down. Okay, but if it doesn't, it will just come and then still come down, and then we'll be looking at the next support level. Okay, so this is a falling wedge pattern that is being developed by crash 500, and like I said earlier, it started crashing already. If you go to lower time frame, the market is already huge. It has crashed starting from here. I mean, this is huge already. That's why I said you're going to be expecting more of sells. So you should be looking for selling up. In fact, if you go to lower time frame like M1, you see that you hardly see a useful entry point here. Okay, look at the crash. Okay, and it's been crashing for 2 days now on crash 500, and it will continue to crash down if what we've just spotted is valid and is playing out well. So if you are a tick trader, you should be careful with your tick trading this time around, because it's already bouncing off from the upper trend line of a falling wedge pattern that is being developed on higher time frame. Now aside that, I'm just going to pull up. I still have the indicators that I used for the regular divergence. I'm going to pull up now, and then I'll show you that there is a bearish regular divergence playing out right now on crash 500. That is a further confirmation that this market, it's gonna push down. Okay, remember, the pushing down might not really be forever, but at least for a while. Okay, we're looking at it pushing down to this point, though not straight away, but it's possible for it to go straight away as well, because of the support we just located. It might have a kind of reactions whenever it gets there, and of course either go up. But we are making predictions with high probability. The most likely move of the, please take note of my choice of language, most likely moves is gonna be bearish. But aside that, we just spotted a bearish regular divergence. And remember what I said as one of the secret, whenever it plays out, okay, you are obeying the indicator. That's one of the secret nobody has ever revealed to you. Now if you look from here, the market has been making the price itself has been making what is it called, higher highs. Okay, higher highs. Look at it here. Please, I beg your pardon. Price itself has been making series of higher highs, as recorded here. Okay, but then what's the indicator making around that area? The indicator is rather making lower low. Look at it. Look at it. And what are you supposed to be? Let's also do it here on the second indicator window, my favorite indicator. Look at it. Now let's change this. Okay, let it be. Look at it. What are you supposed to be? What the indicator is doing, because that's regular divergence. Remember I said hidden divergence, you obey what the price is doing. Okay, so with this further confirmation now, and in fact this place has formed a confluence, my students will understand, this place has formed a confluence of about 3 confirmations that the price will push down, and you see what is happening already. Now even if it is not going to push forever, if you had caught this move from the point that it started crashing, it would have been huge already. Okay, it would have been huge. That's somewhere from around here on 5 minutes time frame. I think you caught the crash down to this place. That's a huge sum of money you would have made. Okay, so this is the most likely move of crash 500. Okay, for the next couple of days and perhaps months or weeks. Okay, as the case may be, so that you know how to take your trading decisions if you are trading ticks or you are trading spikes. So that's for crash 500. I'm gonna pull down now, and then we'll go to boom 1000, and we are going to be doing an analysis on weekly time frame and daily time frame as well. I've actually placed this on daily time frame, but let's look at weekly time frame and see how the picture looks like there. Okay, look at it here. I've actually placed this already, these trend lines to the up and to the down. I don't really know the pattern, the chart pattern to call this, but I can give it an ascending triangle, and of course ascending channel. Okay, and whenever this happens, okay, whenever this happens, you should be expecting a kind of a breakout on either of the trend lines, but then it still has to retest the trend line to the upside and to the downside. And from what we are looking at now, I don't know if you watched my video where I made predictions on the move of boom 1000. It is since then that the trade has been pushing down to this point for how many weeks now. Now if you go to lower time frame like daily, you will understand that it's been a massive move. It's been a massive move all the while, okay, from this point. And there is an account that I have a trade that is still running, and this is for several weeks already. Okay, it was several weeks. So in the meantime, for the next couple of days and probably weeks, this particular asset may likely, it's reacting here now, but the most likely move is that it's still going to push down to retest this down trend line, and then from the candlestick pattern development around that area, we will know if the price will still push up again or it's gonna break to continue moving bearish. But then look at the weekly time frame. Okay, if you look very well, you discover that the overall movement of this asset is actually bullish, but because there is need for a test on this, okay, we'll be expecting somehow more of sales depending on what will finally play out around that area, because the market has found a support there. You remember I said when I make the predictions on the move that this market doesn't really have a strong hold to rest upon as a support, that as it is descending it will be creating support for itself, and that's exactly what has been playing out over the weeks, okay, and of course over the months, because I made this prediction late last year, some months ago, okay, and it's playing out that same way, right? So that's all I'm gonna do for today for the analysis. But then if you are new on this channel, before I say goodbye, I'd like you to hit that subscribe button down below, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new content you get notified. And my old subscriber, please do good to give this video a thumbs up if you have found any value in it, and if you've not found any value, please, you can still give it a thumbs down and then leave your decent comment in the comment section below. Tell us, suggest to us the kind of video you would want to be watching. Of course, I will always be there to make great contents for you, okay? Also share our contents with other traders out there, and then we are good to go. Meanwhile, you should be expecting greater things from this channel, more profitable strategies and content that you use to keep adding to your trading knowledge for consistent profitability, okay? So I'll talk to you in my next video. This is CN Great Counsels saying goodbye for today. Bye.